Hello everyone, welcome back. This is Fuke from the Black Box. So today we will see how the black box performed on the binary options, as you can see, and you will learn how you can trade the black box on every market, not only the binary options. So this was the trade that I took on the previous day, and hopefully you will learn something because many of you are asking about how to trade using the black box. You have been asking a lot of questions. So in this video be could answer your questions. Okay, so uh, let's start. As you can see, the previous trade ended up being the third model, so I won on the upside. I entered the SL and down here. As you can see, the black box, as you can see, it is right above zero. Okay, all right. So I enter the cell. So let's see what happened. So TP1 hit right there. Now 50% out on the real market and stop loss below your entry. Okay, trail your stops. No trade, no black box. Okay. As you can see, I bought here right there using that consolidation. So if that thing breaks down, then we'll consider this thing as a third model. As you can see, I sold again. It faked us out on the upside. Now it faked us out on the downside. So as you can see, I added another because of the break and retest. Because of the second model. If that thing rallies up, then we'll consider this as what? The fourth model. Okay. Fake out in both sides. Right? This thing could be prevented by using a stop loss upset, trailing your stops. After you have after you are in profit, you trail your stop up there. Okay, if that thing retrace, you don't even care. On a single black box setup, do not enter more than 2 times. Okay, one on the real breakout, second on the support or on the third and fourth models. As you can see, I bought here. Good choice here. Still the fourth model. Okay, we have the fourth model. A little bit single fake out, then double fake out, then to this direction. This is what I expected on the previous trade, but that didn't happen. Uh, Maybe because the TP was hit. But in this case, the TP was not hit, as you can see. This is a single fake out here, no TP hit, not the TP was not hit. Then this one launched up. Okay. In this case, when this thing happens, all you gotta do is wait for a progress. Wait for a progress up and up and up. Okay, so that's where you enter, just like this one. Right there, you would enter right there. Alternatively, you can add 5% to your consolidation to your black box so that you will filter out these kinds of fake outs, as you can see. You can add 5%, a little bit space above and below your entry, right? As you can see it. That was not a good entry, as you can see. That was not a good entry, but not the black box. Still, the black box is right here. It is found right here, as you can see. This thing. This thing is the black box right here, not this one. So TP hit right there. So that's why I tell you to get out 50% out at TP1 and trail your stop up, right? So yesterday I made a mistake of not trailing my stops, and I wanted more profits, and I waited and waited for the market. I thought Bitcoin was retesting the daily black box. Yes, it was retesting it, but it was a deep retest. It went to the upper band and hit my stop loss because my stop loss was a little bit halfway. So it hit my stop loss. As you can see, I sold this thing because of uh, the black box is this one. If you go to the higher time frames like 30 seconds, this is a 15-second time frame, as you can see. So this thing consolidated around here. Okay, that is where we buy right here. That's a single fake out right here. Okay, a single fake out. So now I buy. As you can see, TP hit right here, 50% out, stop loss to your entry, stop loss to your entry, right? The same thing as you can see it. Then what did the market do? It retested and moved up again. Okay, stop loss can be below your entry. It doesn't hurt. It is not a lot of money. Okay, if you lose, it is not a lot of money. If it comes back, sometimes it usually retests deep, deep, as you can see here. This is a deep one, as you can see right here. It retested deep and moved up. So that may happen. So uh, the break and retest will, you just don't worry about the break and retest. Okay, if you have 50% is out on the first one, just like this one, as you can see, it right there, you enter a buy, right? So this thing smashed your TP, 50% out, stop loss down here. Now you are out by this candle. This candle supported and you are out. So you don't care if this thing moves up and down. If it was a real breakout, this could not have happened. Okay, there is no retest, there is nothing. It will move up, 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 not retest or something. So most of the retests end up being the third model or the fourth model. So uh, trailing your stop is crucial. It is crucial above your entry if you are buying, then below your entry if you are selling, so that if the market comes back, you will be what? You will be in profit. The market hits your stop loss. So you can see I bought based on the second model, but this thing deep retrace. This is a deep one, which means we could be going down. So I sold it. So you can see this. The consolidation extends to these candles, these wicks too, okay? So the consolidation is still valid. This thing is still valid. That's why it supported here and went up, as you can see. The TP is already hit, as you can see. The first breakout is the most highest probability entry we could have. But the others one, that's why I tell you to enter only 2 times on a single setup. This is the setup right here, right? This is the setup. So you entered 1 time, you are in profit, you are out. And then when this thing comes back down, right? If that thing pierces down, you sell, as you can see, just like I did right here. Okay, you sell that thing, and then what happened? TP hit again. Again, you 50% out, and stop loss will be below your entry. Okay, the same thing as before. So the setup is now over. The setup is now over. You will enter only 2 times on one single setup. And the other thing that you need to consider is find a broker that has a tight spread. Okay, the spreads like $0.61 or less than $2 are great. If the spread is more than $2, that is not good. Like the CAD chef, Euro chef pairs, they have a wide spread, and you don't want to trade the black box on wide spreads. You will lose, you will lose, you will lose. Just try it on a demo account and you will see what I'm talking about, okay? As you can see, this thing ended up the single fake out, so third model, so I entered the sale right here. First I bought, then that lost, so now I sold, then that thing is now coming to our TP. Still TP is not hit, as you can see. It is coming to the TP, as you can see. Now it is hit. TP is hit. What is the rule? 50% out, stop loss below your entry when you are selling. When you are buying, stop loss above your entry. I sold that thing because of the third model, that is single fake out. So you can see here 1, 2, 3, and this is a black box right there at the center. At the center, as you can see. So when this thing breaks down of this box, we are selling, as you can see. This is acting as a resistance, as you can see right here. This box is acting as a resistance, which means the price to move up, it needs a big candle, not an animate small candle. So this is a black box right here, as you can see it. Okay, so the price is having resistance, a huge resistance around it. That's why we are selling the third model, and when it breaks down, we are selling it. When it breaks up, we are buying it. As you can see, it went down and down and down. Okay, as you can see, another black box here. Buy. I was a little late. I should have bought around here, not up there. But regardless, it is moving up. So as you can see, beautiful. This is a beautiful setup. As you can see, this is amazing. TP hit 50% out, stop loss above your entry. This is a real breakout. No retest, no nothing. This is what we want right here. Okay, stop loss now up there. Okay, trail, trail, trail. Milk the market because you will not get this kinds of setup a lot of times. So that's not a good one. A good one. We have a space, not good. That was a good one, as you can see. That was a good one. Yes, yes, yes. Buy this thing. Buy. This is a huge buy right there. So I'm waiting for a support. Enter a buy now, bro. So yes, this is the black box right here. So as you can see, I entered on the most highest probable using the second model. So this thing should move up now if we are bullish. Okay. So you can see this is a black box right here. If you go to the 30 seconds, you'll see that this is a support right here. So the second model acts as support and resistance if we are selling, a support if we are buying. You can see that is a deep retracement. Let us skip this one. It went down, so I sold it. As you can see, I made the right decisions because this thing broke down. This thing broke down, which means this is the third model single fake out. But if this thing comes up and it is a fourth model, which means I'm gonna buy. There is no way the market will retrace back if it is the third model. I mean the fourth model. Nothing here finding setup, as you can see, nice black box right here. So you buy this thing at the support. That is a deep support, not good, not good. If you see that kind of support, do not buy that thing because this big candle is showing you that we are coming down. That is the third model right there, as you can see it. Okay, that's why I tell you, after entering a buy, what you gotta do is trail your stop up or above your entry. Don't think about a lot of a lot of profits. The number one priority, the number one thing to do when you are in the market is to preserve your capital. to stay alive for the next battle, to stay alive for the next day. That's the most important one. You know that 90% lose money. So what you gotta do is you gotta protect your money and add a little bit of uh, profit on it. Okay, every time you enter the market, as you can see, this was a beautiful one. So you sell that thing, stop loss will be below your entry. As you can see, this thing retraced and hit your stop loss. You are in profit out. Again, you buy this thing as you are using the force model. This thing will move up and move up and move up because this is the force model. As you can see, the center is this one. This is a black box right here. Okay, I don't know why I didn't buy that thing, but that is a force model. Another black box, but I didn't buy or sell this thing. So again, this is not great because of the spaces. These spaces, they are not good. I bought at the support. This thing broke the upper band, so great. Support, great. So we'll be looking to the up movement. As you can see, do not touch any stop loss or nothing. This market didn't move a lot, so do not touch nothing. Don't touch nothing. Wait. Wait. If your stop loss is hit, it is hit. That's why we are in a, before your entry, you enter a small lot, not 100 lot or 10 lots. Okay, that is why we have 4 models. As you can see, I sold that thing. I should have sold riser when that thing broke. As you can see, this ended up being the third model. As you can see, so the third model and the first model and the second model happen a lot, not the fourth model. No, the fourth model, it's a couple of times or something. So you can see another sale right, beautiful. Another black box here, but I dismissed it. No, I came back again, so buy right there. When you see these kinds of long wicks, what you gotta do is you connect the bodies, only the bodies. Long wicks, you connect the bodies. Because if you had bought that thing, then that is a very, very great trade. Right there, the third model, I am expecting some kind of third model or the second model, which is break and retest. If that thing comes down, that is break and retest. If that thing blows past rallies up, that is the third model. This is the second model. As you can see, this thing broke down. So I should have sold riser when that bearish candle came appeared. Okay, still a retest. This thing broke, then retested, then came back. Stop loss is up there, okay, not here. Your stop loss should be up there. I told you to include wicks if they are short and equal. So riser, nice buy. As you can see, this is a black box riser. This is beautiful. As you can see, this is beautiful. Amazing. Another black box is being formed 3 candles in a row. I told you that. So sell this thing. If that thing breaks down, then we are selling. So I sold it. That is great, but we want to wait for that break. Yes, yes. That is where we sell. Right there is where we sell, not up there. Because that's not confirmed. So as you can see, this thing retraced up immediately after hitting your TP. Your TP is around there, up there to down there to down here. So now you buy again this. You buy this thing again. This thing will move up and move up and move up. So once you are in profit, what you gotta do is what? Trail your stops. Trail your stops. You will thank me later. You will thank me later. As you can see, another black box around here. I sell that thing. Yes. So you sell that thing again. Again sell it because of that week. Alright, so this thing ended up being hit in both ways. Single fake out riser and then went down. Yeah, that was a retest. Oh my goodness. Okay, that is a retest riser. That bearish candle riser is a retest. It's crazy. Let's see what happened. Alright, so it went up. As you can see, another black box here. Adding your 5% rule so that you will filter out most of the uh, another black box down there. Rise there too. Then support. Boom. Another here. And another here. We got another there. It was a sale. Then around there was a sale. Another black box here forming. As you can see, I bought that thing. I am right. You should buy that thing, okay? Unless that thing breaks down, still we are breaking the retest. So nothing changes. So you can see still buy. That is a TP1 hit 50% out, stop loss down here. Then you are out now. You are out. We don't even care if that thing comes up. We don't even care. Yeah, we are already in profit. As you can see, that thing moved up. Another black box, I entered a buy because of these three candles right here. If you notice that, this is beautiful. This is beautiful. It would be great if all the markets were like this. If all the market now look. It never stops. It moves up, and it never ends. That's amazing. Right there was a sell. This was a buy. As you can see, this was the previous one. A sell, right? But wait for the three candles to form. Okay, don't enter on the two candles. Wait for the three of them. As you can see, I'm waiting to enter a buy. Enter is whatever. As you can see, I bought here and I bought again because of the second model. So before entering a trade on the second model, what you gotta do is wait for a confirmation like a bullish or a bearish candle, okay? Alright? So do not enter a buy. So you can see this thing ended up in the, okay, because I entered. Let me stop here. So you can see I entered the buy right here. I didn't wait for it to break the upper bands just like this one. So I just entered a buy before this thing moved up. So I made a great mistake. The real breakout was to the downside right there. That's where I entered a sell. So you gotta wait. You gotta have patience. Okay, patience. Right there I said. Right there a buy. I think black box right there being formed. It is a sell. It's crazy. That's a sell. Oh my. If that thing breaks up, then it is still a retest, okay? It is a sale still. So that is a sale, that was a sale. Yep. As you can see, great execution, right there. I waited and waited. That is great. That's great. Wait, and then you will take action. So you can see that is a winner. That is so you can see sell riser, sell again. Either I think a buy. I bought some before that. That should be where I should have bought right there, not up down here. Okay, right up there. Okay, after this thing breaks, so you can see that is a breakout. Second model. If that thing moves up, if that thing blows past down, melts down, so that is the third model. Okay, still a retest. So you can see, Jesus Christ, that's crazy. Look at that. I bought because wicks are gonna be filled, and we know that. As you can see, it is trying to fill the wick. As you can see, look, look closer. It tried to fill the wick. That wick is not normal, right there. That is not normal. As you can see, again, it repeated the action. As you can see, it's trying to move up. Look. Did you see that? So it filled this thing that is now efficient. Now we are efficient. We can move to wherever direction we want. I think this thing is a sell. I sold this. You can see it. Still a retest until that upper band is broken. Still a retest. We are still a retest. Okay, we gotta wait. So let's skip a little bit. As you can see, still a retest. We don't care about losing money. This is binary options. Okay. As you can see, it went to our direction. Beautiful. That's beautiful right there. That's beautiful. Now again another retest. You can see we had a trade right there down here. And then here is the third model. Using the third model you can buy this. I am trying to buy this thing, but this thing never came down. So it already came down here, so no trades. Yes. Another black box here. I think it is gonna blow past the upside. No one cares if it moves upside or downside. We will be entering a sell or a buy to where it broke. Right there was a sell, okay. Right where there was a buy. Right there a buy. So you can see black box everywhere. Black box everywhere. Right there we got a beautiful black box. Beautiful. Nope. Have patience. Have patience. Have patience. Don't do. Stop. Yeah, you can sell that thing. Yes. You can sell that thing and wait for the yes. Exactly. That's what I'm telling you. That's beautiful. As you can see, 50% will be out, and you can let the other run. Okay. You can let the other run because there is gonna be a retest just like this one. As you can see, there is gonna be a retest. As you can see, a retest. As you can see, if that thing blows past up, then we will consider getting out. But it is still a retest, as you can see. Okay. Alright, let us skip ahead a little bit. So you can see still a retest, it moved down. So we gotta wait. Have patience. Have patience. Another black box being formed. You can sell or buy that thing once this thing breaks. Okay. Still we are in this scenario right here. So still a resistance around it. This is a huge resistance around it. Okay, as you can see. Sell, not good, not good, not good, not good. Buy. Yeah. The buy one is the great one because the sell one didn't uh, take this loss, as you can see. This the sell one was still in a trend. Okay, that was not a good buy, as you can see. Not a good buy, still a retest, but a huge, a huge retest. Second model, huge riser. As you can see, we moved up. Finally, this consolidation, you can buy again right there, right there. Right there was a buy using the third model, as you can see. This using the third model. So you can this thing will move up and up and up and up, and it will never stop. Sell, buy right here. Nope, nope, nope. Just have patience. Have patience. Come on, this man is just buying and buying. Have patience, bro. Have patience. Look, look, it went down. I told you. I told you to have patience. Okay? This is a bearish flag. If you wanna think it like chart patterns, bearish flags are gonna be broken to the downside mostly. So, as you can see, that thing didn't broke the upper band, not a little bit. I entered a buy. That was I lost money, an easy money rising. So rather nice execution, beautiful. That's beautiful. Skip ahead. The third model, I'm waiting for the third model, as you can see. If that thing comes up, let's skip this, skip this, skip this, skip this. Yep, 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 yep. We took the loss around here. If that thing breaks up, then that is still a double fake out. That will be a double fake out. But if you apply the 5%, then what's gonna happen is there is no double fake out or there is nothing. Still in a range. So that 5% will help you a lot. As you can see, nice buy around it. Right there was the buy was around there. So as you can see, I'm showing you. This was the buy. This was the base. We want the base. The base, the base. Skip this one. Skip it. Skip. Sell riser. Riser was a buy. Riser was a buy. Okay, 40. Yes, I saw that thing. This thing broke down. But this thing has a wick. We don't want that. A wick, not good. This thing deep retraced and making a wick. So that is, I don't think that is a retest thing. This might come down. Let us skip ahead. Yes, I told that thing I made the right decision. It broke every structure there is, so that's the right one right there. That's the right one. Let us skip this one. Okay, ended up in the single fake outside the model. If that thing breaks up, that thing breaks down, still retest, okay? Still retest. Yeah, yep. Sell it. Sell it. Skip this one. Alright, yes, it is a sell. It is a sell. And see, another buy around it. Good, that is good. Wicks are gonna be filled, so that what I'm utilizing around it. So once I bought it, so that this candle will fill this wick. Look this, look this. Nope. Yeah, now you can see that. Now you can see. We got a week around here. So that week was not taken by the loss, right? So as you can see, this thing is feeling this week around it, okay? Weeks are not gonna be left alone. They will be covered with a candle. Still bearish. Yep, we won that thing. As you can see, bearish. That is a retest right there. That sale was great. Stop loss up there. That sale was great by using the single fake out. I bought that thing because this thing broke up to the upside. So let us skip ahead, and this thing retraced up. Yeah, still consolidating. Still consolidating. I sold that thing again. As you can see, this thing broke down. Yes, it came down. Then it came up. So this is double fake out, which means we are buying. Fake dash out to the upside, fake dash out to the downside. Now we are up. We should be moving up. I don't think there will be any bearish breakdown here. Okay, as you can see, we are pumping up and up and up. Let's skip ahead. Okay, still a retest. Still a retest. No, 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 no. Do not enter a sell right here. No, no. Okay, let's skip. It broke to the downside. It broke to the downside. Maybe right there, what you are seeing is a 5% space right there. As you can see, that's a 5% right there. You will not be hurt by adding a 5%. You will not be hurt. Just add 5%. Alright? Nothing will happen, okay? Just add 5%. Extend this rectangle up, add 5%, and this will be prevented here. The downside, the same thing to the downside. And you will sell right there, okay? So look what kind of disaster you could have prevented by doing this. So consider this, skip this. So now we are looking at a single fake out right here. This is a single fake out right here. Now we are moving on. There is no stopping. There is no stopping. Um, this is crazy, bro. This is crazy. Now double fake outs happen. No 5% can cover this thing, okay? I do not advise you to cover everything. Nope. The inner ones are enough, okay? As you can see. These are the trades I wanted to show you, okay? So I hope you have enjoyed watching this and learned something. So what did we learn? We learned that we have to add 5%. We gotta add a 5% to our black box, okay? Space, a breathing space. So most of the fake outs will be eliminated, they will be reduced. And the other thing is, once you are in a trade, and your TP is hit, which means your TP does not include the 5%. Your TP is the height of the box. The real what? The candles. The box, okay? The box includes the height of the candles, okay? Once your TP is hit, 50% will be out. 50% will be out, okay? And if that thing moves and moves and moves to your direction, what you gotta do is you gotta trail your stop. If that thing retraces back, do not touch your stop loss. Leave it where it originally is. Okay, leave it where it originally is. Okay. So those are the two lessons. Maybe probably we had a lot of lessons. We learned a lot of lessons. So you gotta watch the video again if you want to find out. So I'll see you in the next one. So thank you for watching. Bye bye.